Hey friends, today we are going to do with an interesting and amazing topic, that is verbs, especially for class 4th. So let's start. First of all, we will learn with the definition of a verb. That is a verb, and if you want to write the definition, you could also write. A verb is a word. A verb is a word that tells something about a person or a thing. So definition of a verb is a verb is a word that tells something about a person or a thing. So the first point to start is that what a person or a thing does. So let's take an example, that is rabbit laugh. So here laugh is a verb. How we could get it? As we see that what is rabbit doing? So rabbit is laughing here. So the rabbit is a person or a thing, whatever it is. So I can write person here. So it's funny to say a rabbit as a person, but we have to say as it is a example. So laugh is a verb here. So now second point is that what is done to a person or a thing. Okay, let's understand with it with an example. Example is that the window is broken. So here broken is the word. How we get it? As the window is a thing. Now what happened to window? What is done to the window? Window is broken. So here window will be not the verb, the broken will be the word. Yeah, so let's begin with the third point. The third point is the what a person or a thing is. Take an example. So here example is the cat is dead. It's a little bit negative sentence, but as example we have to take it. So the cat is dead. Here what is a person? It's also funny to say a cat is a person, but here in the example we should say, so here cat is a person, and what happened to cat? So the cat is dead. So here dead is the verb. So now let's move to the next topic, that is objects of a verb. So how many types of there objects of verb? There are two types of object of a verb, that are direct object and indirect object. Let's understand this. So here let's take an example, that is Yuvraj caught the ball. So here Yuvraj caught what? Yuvraj caught what? Yuvraj caught the ball. Yuvraj caught the ball. So here ball is what? Ball is the direct object. Ball is the direct object here. And the sentence for it or the formula for it is subject plus verb plus what? As we take the example that Yuvraj caught what? Yuvraj caught the ball. So what or whom? Whom is also in the direct object, and then it is direct object. Then it forms the direct object here. Okay? Yeah, so next is indirect object. Indirect object gives the answer for whom. For whom. So here we would take example. Example is mother gave Ankit a glass of milk. A glass of milk. So here the mother gave what? The mother gave what? Mother gave the glass of milk. Yes? Glass of milk. And gave whom? Gave whom? Mother gave the glass of milk to Ankit. Okay? So children, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you really like my videos, so please subscribe to my channel and share to the needy persons. Thank you so much.